Magandang araw guys! So for those of you who are new to my channel, my name is Aya and I'm a Bento mom. I make fun and creative lunchboxes for my daughter Zion. I'm also into gardening and homemaking, and I also love food, travel, and shopping. So if these are the things that interest you, please keep on watching. It's the middle of the week guys, and I'm back to bento making. And I just want to share with you, actually, I've been busy last July preparing for my first ever bento workshop, which happened about a month end ng July. And I did that one for a large BPO company na tasked us. So I want to share with you some snippets of the first ever bento workshop that I did. Here it is. Natin pala for today. Sorry naman din, sobrang excited. Hindi na introduce. We're going to do a very simple bento creation for today. It's a character bento. It's a bear na bento. So hopefully this will trigger you to start with your bento journey. Kaya sobrang simple lang ang ituturo natin ngayon. Alright? So we'll just start with the nose kasi yung rest ng rice ay lalagyan natin ng soy sauce. Okay? So, we'll just start with the nose first. So, ayan. Kung na-wrap nyo na siya, just slowly press it para medyo to flatten it. Oh, here. Lagay nyo lang yung gummy bears here. And then, sa other side, yung marshmallow. So, di ba napaka, enticing ng bento making kasi different color siya. You have a variety of food. Maengganyo talaga kumain yung mga anak nyo.
Yung ating finished product.
Na! Oo! Ayun o. Ayan din si Mami. Ayan o. Ayan, nagpapakita sila Mami Bear, Mami Ronaldin. Mami Calzada. Ayan si Mami Lisa. Ayun o. Si Luke.
And then, ito naman yung kay Zion.
Mami Ting. O, ayan o. Kay Zion.
Ayan, so I hope you enjoyed watching even just the snippets of that first ever bento workshop. So thank you again to Task Us Chateau community for giving me the opportunity to do that bento workshop with you. It was such a fun and amazing experience doing that with you all. And I also want to give a special mention to Brightbrands PH and Yumbox PH for partnering with me in my first ever bento workshop. Thank you very much for your continued support to me and to Kaayaaya Vlogs. Thank you very much for your generosity to all our bento workshop participants. Hindi lang naman sila naging generous sa mga participants ng bento workshop, but they're also gonna be generous with you guys. So sa mga viewers ko and my social media followers, just stay tuned because I will be announcing a surprise at the end of this vlog, okay? So back to bento making tayo since Zion has started with her classes last week. So we're also back to bento making, back to business tayo. So since I did the first ever bento workshop, what I decided to do today is to recreate what I taught yung ating bento workshop participants. So let's check and see what the ingredients are for this very simple and easy bento creation. Alright, so for today's creation, we're gonna do a bear bento. So that is a very simple and easy bento creation that I taught yung mga bento workshop participants. So this one, you can do so easily. It can even be done by your kids alone. So we're doing a version of the bear bento that I taught the bento workshop participants. So for today's creation, I'm gonna be doing a pink na bear. So dun sa bento workshop, I did a brown bear. But this time, Zion wants a pink bear. So we have pink colored rice here. So we used this green leaves na pink food coloring. So if you're the type of mom or if you're the type na healthy or organic ang gusto nyo for your kids, you can use dragon fruit or red cabbage to color your rice pink. Alright? And then we also have white rice here for the bear's nose later. And then for the details ng bear, we just need nori sheets. And then for the sides, our ulam for today is chicken curry. And then for our fruits, we have here apples and grapes. And then for our dessert, we have Oreo cookies. For our base, we're using lettuce. And then you also need to prepare just uncooked na spaghetti noodles. About 1 or 2 lang naman ang kailangan. Right? For the sides, you can choose whatever you want to feed your kids. So not necessarily this food items. So you can choose any food item that you want to put in your bento box. Alright? For the sides. So we also have here our Yumbox tapas. So this is the first time that I'm using it. Tagal ko na itong pinurchase sa Brightbrands, but this is the first time I'm showing you this type of Yumbox. So this is almost the same as the Yumbox Panino and the Yumbox Original. Different lang siya in terms of size. Guys. Sorry. So, ayan. This one kasi is much bigger version, and so this is very, very good for adults who bring baon to work. So, yung inside na gagamitin natin ngayon is the one with 4 compartments. So, you can remove yung compartment nito, and then you can change it accordingly. You can choose the one with 5 compartments. Okay? There you go. So, this one is a favorite of mine na kasi sobrang laki niya. Ayan, madami kayong malalagay. So, perfect for adults who bring baon to work. Right? And then, of course, we also have our cling wrap. So, we'll start by molding the rice. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do is get a portion of your cling wrap. Sa mga followers ko or sa mga regular viewers, you all know what to do. So, this is around 6 tablespoons of rice. So, we just need to put around 5 tablespoons. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So, the rest of the items will be for the ears of the bear. So, what we just need to do is mold it into a round shape para sa head ng bear. Okay? There. So, this is how it should look like. So, just mold a round shape. There. Okay? And then, the next thing that you need to mold is yung ears ng bear. So, you just need to cut a portion again of your cling wrap. And then put around half a tablespoon of your pink rice. Okay? And then just mold it. So, wrap it inside the cling wrap. And then just mold it into a ball or a round shape. Okay. And then we need to do 2 pieces of this one. Okay? There you go. So this is gonna be for the ears. Okay? So the next thing that you need to mold is yung nose ng bear. So we're gonna be using the white rice. So I just put half a teaspoon. So half a teaspoon is half na kutsarita lang. So very, very small amount lang. So mold it into a ball as well or a round shape, right? There you go. So ito na lahat yung minold natin. So we have the round shape for the head. And then we have 2 balls here or 2 smaller round shapes for the ears. And then we have a very, very small round shape again for the nose, right? So 4 na round shapes yung imo-mold nyo. So the next thing that you need to do is you need to open this one from the cling wrap. So, yan, open nyo lang siya. And then get your white rice. that you molded into a nose or a small round shape here. And then just remove it from the cling wrap. And you just need to put it on top of the big na pink round shape na minold natin, or the head of the bear. So we'll just put it here on top there. And then close the cling wrap again so that we can press the nose of the bear. Okay? So we just have to close it and press yung nose there. So set this one aside, okay? And then just need to get a small portion of your nori sheet. So what we have to do is fold that piece of nori sheet into two. So fold it in half like that and just cut a circle. So it's just like cutting a paper, okay? So this is how I exactly did the bento workshop. Same instructions that I gave the participants. Yan. So why do we have to fold it in half? So that when you cut the circle, dalawa na agad yung makakat natin. Yan. There you go. 2 circle shapes. Right? And then, set this one aside, just here. And then, we'll cut a very, very small heart shape. This is gonna be for the nose of the bear. Ayan, ganyan lang siya. Very small na heart shape. And then, the last thing that we need to cut is a very small line. Straight line lang, guys. Okay? So, this is for the nose. There. So, this one, lahat nung kinat natin. So, I'll show you. There. So, we've got 2 round shapes or 2 small circles. And then, we've got a heart shape here. And then, we cut a small na straight line. Okay? So, what you need to do next is to open the head of the bear. So, yung nirap natin a while ago sa cling wrap. Here. The one where we put the nose or the white rice on top. So, let me just focus it a bit. There you go. And then, what we want to do is put yung details ng bear. So, we'll put the eyes. Here. So, let me put the eyes of the bear. Here. And then here. There. So, put it on the other side. 2 opposite sides of the nose. Okay. And then, we'll put the straight line over the bear's nose. Like this. So, if you have a tweezers, much better. So, you won't have to use your hands. Okay, so there, just put it on top of the nose and then get the small heart shape that you cut and then put it on top of the straight line. Like this. There. And then set this one aside, close it again. Ayan. So set aside natin yan. And then, we'll start putting together our bento. So, here is our Yumbox tapas. There. So, here is our Yumbox tapas. So, what we want to do is to get our lettuce. And so, we'll just put it here as a base. And then, just get the head of the bear that we've wrapped sa cling wrap and then just put it on the Yumbox tapas or whichever baonan or lunchbox you're working on. So, there you go. And then the next thing that you want to do is get yung ears. And then you just open this round shape na kinate natin and get a small piece of the spaghetti noodle and insert it like this. Yan, and then we'll put it, so I'll just turn this over to my side and then we'll put it or attach it sa ating bear. So we'll do the same for both ears. Of course, the next thing that we want to do is, we'll put the fruits first. So I'll just put half ng apple natin and then I'll put some grapes here sa side. So make sure that when you're working on your kids' foods or even your family's food, make sure to wash your hands and make sure that your work area is clean and sanitized, alright? There. And then here, on the other side, I'll just pour the chicken curry. And then here, in the middle, I'll just put our Oreo cookies. There, tingnan mo, kasyang-kasya sa in the middle of the compartment. There. It's exactly as big as one Oreo cookie. And then, I'll just use some bento picks here. So, i-insert ko lang siya here sa ating chicken. And then, insert ko here sa apple. And then, one here sa ating grapes. So, here is our finished product. That's it, guys, for today's bento creation. Like what I mentioned in the early part of this vlog, meron tayong pa-surprise from Brightbrands PH and Yumbox PH. So, they're not only generous dun sa ating bento workshop participants, but of course, pwede ba naman hindi sila maging generous sa ating viewers and to my social media followers. So, please check out the mechanics sa aking Instagram and Facebook accounts on how you can win the Yumbox tapas. Kagaya ito ng ginamit natin for today's bento creation. So, ayan sa screen yung pwede nyong mapanalunan. Alright? So, I hope you enjoyed today's creation. If you did enjoy, please like and share this video para mas marami pang mag-try mag-bentoing. And also, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell para palagi kayong updated if I have a new video upload. Thank you for watching, guys. See you in my next vlog. Bye!